How is everyone doing today? It is your boy, Fish Bix. Why did I say Fish Bix? Fish Sticks here, and today we're going to teach you how to make Rick from Rick and Morty on me. So you're going to first go to Mel, obviously, because Rick's a Mel. And the head is fine, you can keep it like that. So you're going to scroll down to hairs. You're going to go to this afro, poofy, well, not afro. It looks like an afro, but it's much more spikier. You can pick that, or you can pick any hair you want. Now, this is on the Chromebook, so you might not have no access to the extra colors. So, you're going to want a baby blue color, and you're going to go to the eyebrows. You get to that thick color, then you're going to put the baby blue again for the eyebrows. And the eyebrows, you're going to have to position them all the way close to each other to the max. Maybe raise them down a little or raise them up, whatever you want. Then go to the eyes. I think I want my eyes like this. You can get them like this or like this, but I probably want mine like this. So now you're gonna go to the noses. You can get this nose or any nose you want, really, but I recommend this one. But it's not gonna be that big. You can sizen it a little so it's not so big. Raise it up a little if you have to, because it's kind of weird. Then you're gonna go to the mouths. You can get this one. I recommend this one, or you can get this one. I think you should get this one. This one's pretty good. Now, flatten it down to the max. Make it 2 times bigger. You can get it just, just like that normal. And now, why did I put sunglasses on him? Alright, now you can do. He's pretty tall. Rick's pretty tall. So, now, there you go. It's pretty good. It's done. You can do your head like this. This looks kind of weird for me, but you could do your head like this, or like this, or like this, any kind of size you want, really. And then you're gonna change his shirt favorite color to blue, and that's it. There you go. And if you make this character on Tamagotchi Life, you can give it a coat, but on Me Maker you can't. But it's good though. It's good still. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like the video.